The main lighting can be operated via the switch on the stalk to the left of the steering wheel. By default, lights are set to auto. This is the recommended setting and means that the lights will come on and go off automatically, so you never have to worry about them.
If you do prefer manual operation though, the one just below is side lights only, and finally you have the activation of the dipped or main beam headlights.
To activate full beam, pull the stick towards you until it clicks into place. Full beam will remain activated until the stalk is pulled back again. To switch to this temporarily or flash the headlights, lightly pull the stick towards you about halfway and release again. Just inside of the main headlight controls is the rear and front, depending on version, fog light operation. Fog lights will work when operated with side light or dipped beam headlights on. If you have both front and rear fog lights, to activate the front fog lights, rotate the ring forwards. And then to turn on the rear, rotate the ring forward a second time. To turn off the fog lights, rotate the ring backwards. The rear will turn off with the first rotation, and the front with the second rotation. Illumination of the corresponding indicator lights on the instrument panel confirms that the lighting selected is on. When the ignition is switched off, all of the lights turn off immediately. This is except for the dipped beam headlights if automatic guide me home lighting is activated. It is possible to switch on the lights when the ignition is switched off. Simply rotate the switch to 0 or auto and then to the desired position. If the driver's door is open, there will be a temporary audible signal.
Citroën.